Hi, welcome to the C# tutorial of Team Legacy. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use array. All you need for this tutorial is a button, and once you have it on your form, just go ahead and double click on it. Alright, so an array is basically a very special variable that will allow you to hold a multiple variable of the same type. For example, if I were to create a string array that I can hold string but can hold a multiple string inside of it. So we're gonna go ahead right here and create a string. We're gonna type string and put two brackets, and those two brackets symbolizes that this variable is going to be an array, so we can be able to hold a multiple string inside of this array. Then following that, you're gonna put space, and then you can put a name to your array, and I'm just gonna call it names. And this is going to hold multiple people's name inside of this string array, and I'm going to put equal sign and two curly brace. And this two curly brace is where you're gonna store all the string that will be inside of your string array. So let's start adding string to our array. First, we're gonna put two quotes, and then inside of these two quotes, we're gonna put the first string that will be inside of our array. And the first name that will be inside of our array is Dave. Oops, it should be here. And if we're going to put another string, we just put comma, another two quotes, and then the name, which is Fred. So inside of my string array right here, I have two people's name, Dave and Fred. And if you wanna add a third name, I just put another comma right here and another's people name. Let's put Prims. Alright, at the moment we have three people's name inside of our string array. To access them, what you're gonna do is type your string, but first you have to put semicolon. Okay, type names and then two brackets, and inside of these two brackets I'm gonna put the index of the string we're trying to access. So if we're going to access Dave, we're going to put 0 because computer start counting at 0. So the first element inside of any array, its index is always 0. This right here, 0, this one, this 2. So we're gonna access Dave. First, we're gonna put 0 inside of these two brackets. Alright, let's display the message box. Let's type message box that show and let's see what will happen. So the message box displays the string Dave. How about if we put 1? It should display Fred. Perfect. Alright, there's another way to create arrays. So for example, if you just wanna create an array that's empty and doesn't have anything in it, and what you can do is just say new, and then whatever variable type your array is holding. And ours is string, so let's put string and put two brackets. And inside of these two brackets, we're gonna type the number of strings or elements that our array that will be able to hold. So if we want to, our string array will be able to hold 5 strings, we just put 5. And now, inside our string array, we have 5 empty strings. So if we want to access fourth elements, which is the last, we just put 4 inside of these brackets. And we should get nothing in the message box, since the string is inside of our string array. Yeah, since none of the strings is inside of our string array, we just simply created spots for them. And yeah, we get nothing. It's nothing. And that goes for every single element inside of our string. So if we're gonna put 0, we got nothing in the message box. But if we wanna change it, we could. So to access the 0 element, we just put names, then 0. So where we're gonna access the string at 0. And then if we want to set it equal to something, we're just gonna put equal sign. Oh, it should be brackets. And oops, should put equal sign right there and 2 quotes. And inside of these 2 quotes, we're just gonna put whatever we're gonna set a string at 0 index equal to. So let's put Ivana. Now, if we were to show names at 0 index in a message box, we'll get Ivana, because we changed it right here. And then we're displaying the strings on that index. Let's see what will happen. Oh, we forgot to put a semicolon. Oh, it shows the word Ivana. Perfect. And you can create arrays of different types. So up until now, all we did was string. But you could create a bool array or an integer array or something like that. For example, right here, I'm going to create an integer array. So I'm gonna type int 2 brackets that symbolizes that this will be an array. Then I'm gonna put name to my array, and I'm going to call it numbers. And then 2 curly brace. Oh, we should put equal sign and 2 curly brace. So inside of this curly brace, I'm just gonna list all numbers I want to be stored in an integer array. So I'm just gonna have 555, 666, and 777. Alright, so now inside of my integer array, right here, I have 3 numbers: 555, 666, and 777. So if you want to access 666, I will just put numbers, for the name of my integer array, and then following a two brackets and this one. So let's remove this first. Inside of these two brackets, the index of the integer that I want to access. So if I want to access 666, I'll just put 1. Since it starts counting at 0, 1, 2. So we already put 1. And since it's number of one integer, we're gonna have to convert it to string. So I just have to type right here dot to string, and now it should get 666 in the message box. Let's see. Perfect. Alright, that's pretty much for this tutorial for using and reading an array. So see you guys. Thank you for watching.